Hello and welcome to lesson number 3. My name is Heather and I'm the owner of Party Masters. Today we're going to talk about water. Now by water, what I mean is the consistency of the paint and the consistency of using the water on your face paint. This is the hardest part of face painting for almost everyone that learns how to face paint, getting the consistency right. Now it takes a while to do it and it's frustrating when you first begin, but once you've got it, you've got it. So don't get frustrated, just keep practicing until you find your consistency is where you want it. So I have just filled my brush with water up to the ferrule and I'm going to go into the black here. The first thing I want to do is show you what it looks like when it's too wet. Like right here. You see how you can still see water? And it's still smushing. If I put that on a face right now, it would literally drip right down. Now, I'm going to try and get the water out of that. If I go over here, now it's too dry. Do you see that it's dragging across? It's not floating across or sliding across. It's actually dragging. You should almost be able to see drag marks out of it. So what we want something right in between. Okay, so I'm going to work this water in a little bit. Put a little bit of it off there because I had too much. And you want to work it until it becomes the consistency of lotion. Hopefully I can, if you see here, it's almost lotiony. It's not like water, very much like if you put lotion on your hands. It should have that nice, smooth, sliding consistency. Then once your brush is completely filled up to the ferrule, what you should have a nice consistency that's going to be nice and opaque, without dripping and without any skin showing through it. So I hope I've explained that well enough. I know it's a tough one. Just keep practicing and I promise you'll get perfect. If you find it's dripping, use less water. If you find it's cracking, use more and eventually you will get it just right. So thank you for watching lesson number 3 and I will see you next on lesson number 4, which is about dots.